Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, then hi, I am Pratibha Sharma and I am a beauty and fashion content creator. And today I'm again back with a Myntra haul video. Sorry, this is not a Myntra haul video, but it's a Myntra summer haul video. So I have ordered like five clothing pieces from Myntra. All of these clothes are in cotton only, and we have like two kurta sets and three pieces of top. So, and FYI, all of these tops, the three tops that I've bought, are all so cute. Like the one I've already wore it right now, and you can see the detailing over there. Okay, we'll get back to it later, but right now we have this much of clothes that we have to like review, and we have to see how it is and if it's worth buying or not. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get in the video. So we'll start with the tops only, and the first top that we have is this tie-up neck cotton peplum top. Well, this is so cute. This is in pink color, and it's sleeveless, but it's so cute. Like the detailing is so cute, and it has this bow detailing, so it looks super cute. And like मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही प्यारा लगा ये टॉप, cause just because of this bow detailing only I like this top. But the only thing is, like, you can see if I'm wearing it, but it gives kind of weird. Maybe I bought it in the size L, and so kind of like fitting का problem है, because this जो ये जो lines जहाँ से start हो रही है, it should be a little bit up, but it's down, so it looks odd while I wear it. So I don't know if I should keep it or not. Maybe I will return it. God knows. But I want to keep it. Like, I bought it in size L, so मैं काम कर सकती हूँ. I can get a M size and see how it looks on me. But yeah, but otherwise it looks too good. It looks too cute. Also, this is pure cotton, so breathable material hai. हाँ, it's just that it's a little bit of transparent. Like, you have to wear something inside it, otherwise your inner will be visible in this. So yeah, अंदर कुछ पहनना पड़ेगा, but it's cute. This top is from the brand Street 9, and it costed me rupees 701. So according to the price, it's not that worth it, cause 701, I'm so sorry, 701. And that too, the stitching, I think the stitching is a bit weird, because if you see how the model is wearing right there, so this ये वाला part कहीं और से आ रहा है, so I'll return it. I won't keep it. Cute है, but still like fitting is not good. So the next top that we have is this, the one that I'm wearing right now. This is shirt. This is like floral print shirt, and this is like you can wear it to the office. You can wear it anywhere, because it's like it's too cute. It will give you that professional vibes plus the cute vibes as well. So it's too cute. मैंने L size में मंगाया है, but I think I should get M size, cause ये already oversized है, and but it looks cute. Maybe नहीं, I think L size ही सही है गर्मी के लिए. This oversized is good only. So yeah, it's in blue color and it's pure cotton, so you don't think otherwise. You can buy it because it's too cute. So yeah, love it. It costed me rupees 750, and I think according to the price it's good only. Next up that we have is this floral print sheer shirt. Now this is not in cotton material. I said that all the clothing pieces are in cotton material, but this is not in cotton material. It's like it is this polyester, I think. Yeah, polyester material. Okay, wait. Yeah, this is in polyester material, so it might feel a bit weird to wear in the summer, but since it's transparent, and you can wear it in the night, but maybe not in the daytime, because this might, ये चुभेगा शायद, ये मटेरियल शायद चुभेगा, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, like the cute, it's cute, so I bought it. And this is from the brand Glitch, and it costed me rupees 455. According to the price, it's good only. 455 ke liye this is good. And fourth product that we have, sorry, the fourth clothing material that I bought from Myntra is this kurta set. Now this when I saw, I was, it's like it's not pure cotton. This is cotton but blend है, like cotton or some other material. So ये blend है उसका, but it gives that Pakistani drama vibes. Like जब मैंने इसके sleeves देखे, basically the sleeves part. Okay, you can see. मुझे ऐसे वाले स्लीव्स इतने ज्यादा पसंद है, लाइक ऐसे वाले स्लीव्स वाले कुर्ता होना, मैं तो भाई खरीद लूं। मैं और एक दो बार देखूंगी भी नहीं, बट दिस इज लाइक सो गुड, द स्लीव्स पार्ट एंड या लेंथ वाइज भी, और सब कुछ बहुत ज्यादा प्यारा है ये। हाँ, थोड़ा गर्मी लग सकता है मे बी, बिकॉज while I was shooting also in this kurta set, I was feeling a bit hot, so yeah, like गर्मी के लिए ये नहीं है, but फिर भी just because of the sleeves I ordered it, because ये पूरा पाकिस्तानी coded है, so yeah, this is like very good. It just has this pant and this kurta, no dupatta is there, and this costed me rupees 1269 according to the price. I think perfect है, और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि लाइक प्रिंट गंदा है या कलर गंदा है या कुछ गंदा है, कलर भी प्यारा है, प्रिंट भी बहुत प्यारा है, और 1269 तो ठीक ही है। ये ब्रांड कौन सा ब्रांड है, वारंगा से है ये, आई थी या वारंगा, दिस इज फ्रॉम ब्रांड वारंगा एंड इट्स इन एल साइज। मुझे ढीले डाले ही पसंद है कुर्ता, और टाइट वाले कुर्ते नहीं पसंद। तो द लास्ट kurta, red color kurta set, it has a dupatta as well, and this kurta and this pant is like pure cotton material। गर्मी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा सही है, बट मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा वियर्ड लगा, लाइक इफ यू कैन सी इन दिस वीडियो ऑल्सो व्हाइल आई एम वेयरिंग इट, ये बहुत ज़्यादा पुराना पुराना सा नहीं लग रहा, लाइक आई डोंट नो, लाइक एंड इट कॉस्टेड मी, एक मिनट, कॉस्टेड मी 1505 रुपीज। 1500 रुपये के लिए ये कुर्ता सेट, जो कि ऐसा लग रहा है कि 15 साल पुराना है भाई। इट इज गिविंग वियर्ड वाइब्स, आई डोंट लाइक इट। लाइक पिक्चर में बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था, यू कैन सी द मॉडल वेयरिंग इट, इट लुकिंग सो गुड, बट while I ordered it, I was very disappointed for the price that I paid, 1500 rupees for this kurta set, that too it's look like 15 साल या 20 साल पुराना कुर्ता सेट है। हाँ, इसका दुपट्टा प्रिंट इज गुड, दुपट्टा इज नाइस, बट कुर्ता सेट बहुत ही ज़्यादा वाहियात लग रहा है, सो आई एम नॉट कीपिंग इट, obviously I have to return it। So these all were the clothing pieces that I got from Myntra। So I was not ordering keeping in mind that yeah मुझे summers के लिए कपड़े खरीदने या something like that, but while I was scrolling through Myntra, so I thought that okay, summer I don't have any clothing piece that can be like perfect for summer, so I thought that okay, एक या दो तो खरीद ही लेते हैं, बट देन आई थॉट एक दो खरीदने के बजाय एक मिंत्रा हॉल ही बन जाएगा। सो 5 clothing pieces I bought, and I have like I'm returning 3 pieces already, because that pink color top is not good, I have to return it। Then this red color kurta set, this is like very bakwas, this I'm returning it। And the floral print sheer, that shirt, I don't know if I will keep it or not, I should keep it, I think. Maybe. I don't know. Like I'll wear it again and I'll see, because the styling is not good. Maybe that jeans के साथ ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. If I wear it with something else तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, but I don't know. So yeah, these were all the clothing pieces that I got, and I have already tagged all the product links in the description below. So if you want any link, like any of the product link, then just click on the description box and you can get the link over there। Also, one more thing, I have uploaded like a haul video also, Savannah haul video also. So if you haven't checked that out, then do go check that out and let me know what you think about that. And if you need any kind of product recommendation or any kind of link, then I'll give that to you। So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have come so far, then do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon button, because obviously if you'll hit the bell icon button, then only you can get notified if I get up with any kind of new video। So yeah, thank you for watching।